Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best PC gaming controllers on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. PlayStation DualSense Wireless Controller. The PlayStation 5 DualSense controller boasts a remarkable and tactile experience, characterized by haptic motors and adaptive triggers that offer resistance under your finger, providing an immersive feel for in-game actions. The controller's rumble feedback is praised for its nuanced and high-quality performance. Notably, games need to be specifically programmed to utilize these features, limiting their widespread application. Nevertheless, Steam provides comprehensive support for the controller, making it easy to use in a variety of games. While some users find it slightly less comfortable than the Xbox Series X controller, it remains a preferred choice for those who appreciate Sony's analog stick layout or gyro aiming features. Number 2. Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. The Microsoft Elite Series 2 controller stands out as the top choice, offering a luxurious and highly customizable gaming experience. Its extensive customization options provide unparalleled control over various aspects of gameplay, including D-pads, shift paddles, and joystick tension. Notable improvements over the Series 1 include a convenient carrying case that also functions as a portable USB Type-C charging station for the controller's rechargeable battery, offering approximately 40 hours of usage. The Series 2's versatility extends to mobile gaming, as it can be easily paired with devices via Bluetooth, making it a versatile and high-performance gaming controller. Number 3. Razer Wolverine Ultimate. The Razer Wolverine Ultimate stands out as a potentially top-tier gamepad with several luxurious features. Modeled after the Xbox One Elite wireless controller, it offers swappable D-pads and customizable back paddles. The unique feature of the Wolverine Ultimate lies in its face buttons, up, B, X, Y, which click like mouse buttons, providing a distinctive tactile experience. Priced similarly to the Xbox Elite controller, it may not appeal to everyone, particularly due to its lack of wireless connectivity to a PC. However, for those willing to forego wireless capability, the Wolverine Ultimate offers a unique and compelling alternative with its tactile button presses and other premium features. Number 4. Scuf Instinct Pro. Scuf Instinct Pro is a standout controller in the Microsoft-focused gaming arena, offering a formidable challenge to the likes of Sony and Microsoft's top-tier pads. In a market dominated by the Elite Series 2, the Instinct Pro manages to carve a niche with its extensive customization options. Users can personalize their gaming experience with choices ranging from various faceplates to rings around thumbsticks, and even options for thumbstick length and topper style, be it convex or concave. The controller's commitment to customization sets it apart, providing users with a level of personalization that extends beyond the norm. Despite facing fierce competition, the Instinct Pro caters to gamers seeking a premium experience with unparalleled options for tailoring the controller to their preferences. Number 5. Xbox Series X. The original Xbox One wireless controller was a staple for PC gaming, and with the release of the Xbox Series S/X, anticipation was high to see how Xbox would enhance an already outstanding gamepad. Fortunately, the Xbox Series X/S controller doesn't disappoint. Retaining many beloved features, it maintains the comfortable design with texturized rubber grips for a satisfying feel. The controller boasts a vastly improved D-pad, perfect for precise inputs in genres like fighting games and platformers. Taking inspiration from the Xbox One Elite Series controllers, it introduces enhanced latency and faster inputs, elevating the overall gaming experience. Whether you're a console or PC gamer, this controller stands out as an excellent choice, combining familiarity with innovative improvements that cater to gaming enthusiasts across platforms. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.